right now is very big. So we separate the carbon dioxide using membrane process and then grow this one for photosynthesis and grow microalgae. And then we harvest the microalgae to make biodiesel out of it. They have a 40% approximately lipid within the body, and then we compress to get lipid and using catalytic reaction to make biodiesel. So we have a methane, natural gas, and biodiesel.
And you run your car?
Yeah, I hope so in the future. So actually Kia, do you know Kia?
Yeah.
Automobile, so they promised to donate a very small car. So we design, we transform natural gas system.